Hello friends, this video on application of derivatives part 17 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 16. Let's take one more example. We have to find the approximate change in the volume of the cube of side x meter caused by increasing the side by 1%. This is the cube I have. And what we are saying is that the side is x, let's suppose the side is x. I'm increasing the side by 1%. All sides I'm increasing by 1%. So this became this. This length also increased. The height also increased. So the new cube which you get will be something like this. Something like this. Right, this guy is also increasing. Every year it increase actually. So this is what you will get, something like this. So everything is increased by 1%. So in this case, my delta x is 1% of x. That is 1 by 100 into x. So my delta x is x by 100. Correct? I have to find change in volume. That is, I have to find delta v. I know v is equal to x cube, volume of cube. I have to find delta v. If I just differentiate this guy with respect to x, what I'll get, dv by dx is nothing but 3x square. Or I can say that dv is nothing but 3x square dx. Now since I have to find delta v, I assume that the change is very less. I can say that delta v is nothing but 3x square delta x. Correct? Delta x I know is this guy. Let's put the value 3x square into delta x, that is 1 by 100 x, and that is nothing but 3x cube by 100. And this is in meter, so I'll say meter cube. And that is my answer. Very simple. See, this is nothing but a simple dv by dx, and I'm saying that since dv is very less, I'll say dv is nothing but delta v. The same concept which we use to derive the formula. Correct? Please understand what we have done here. We knew v is equal to x cube. We wanted to find delta v. We differentiated this guy, we got dv by dx. Dx I know, so I got dv. Let's take one more example. We have to find the approximate change in surface area of cube. This time is surface area of the cube by x meter, where the length is decreasing by x meter. So delta x is actually minus 1 by 100 x. Why? 1% of x is the delta x. That is nothing but minus 1 by 100 x. Correct? Surface area is nothing but 6x square. I have to find ds. So let's differentiate this guy by x. ds by dx is nothing but 12x. Correct? So my ds is nothing but 12x dx. Let's assume the change in surface area is less. So this is nothing but delta s is nothing but 12x delta x, and this is nothing but 12 into x into delta x is nothing but minus 1 by 100 into x, and that is nothing but minus 12 by 100 x square meter cube. So I can see that change in area is minus 12 by 100 x cube. It is a negative change. So I can say that it is decrease by 12%. Not 12%, you can say decrease by 12 by 100 into x in the sense. And this, if you observe carefully, this is nothing but 2 by 100 into 6x square, or you can say that 2 by 100 into s. So you can say that this is nothing but 2% of surface area. You can write 12 by 100 x square also, or you can say 2% of surface area. Let's take one more example. The radius of a sphere is measured 7 meter. With an error of 0.02, find the approximate error in calculating volume. So in this we have to find error in calculating volume. Please note, that is we have to find delta V. See, if my V is equal to fx, some function V plus delta V will be equal to f of x plus delta x. So if this is the error, if this is the error, this is the error in measurement. The delta will be the error in volume. Correct. So my V is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. Delta R is known because delta R is this, error in measurement of radius. Delta R is 0.02. R is 7 all meter. I have to find delta V. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. dV by dr is nothing but 4 by 3 pi into r cube become 3r square. Cancel. So dV is nothing but 4 pi r square dr, or delta V is nothing but 4 pi r square delta r. Why delta r? Because I am assuming that dV and dr are very small. So this is nothing but 4 pi r is equal to 7 square delta r 0.02. So we solve this, 49 into 4 into 0.02, this becomes 3.92 pi, and this is meter cube. Why? Because this guy is 0.02 meter and this guy is again meter squared, so meter cube. And that is my answer. So error in volume is this guy, 3.92 pi meter cube. So in this case also, if you see, understanding the question was a difficult part. You have to understand by reading the question that you are asked to find error in calculating volume. That is, you have to find delta V, where delta R is equal to 0.02 because the error in calculating radius is this much. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.